So, hello guys. What if I told you that in 2026, one of the most sophisticated communication method used by black hat hacker is not encryption or stereography. It's older than the radio itself. Today, I am revealing a hacker inside Morse code tool that made by me, a professional grade weapon that turns Asian communication into a unhackable covert channel. Watch this. I type a attack at down, and in millisecond, it's transform into Morse code. But that's just the beginning. This tool does not just encode text; it transmits through audio signal, invisible to network monitor, undetectable by firewall, and completely bypassing all modern surveillance. So this is the thing that make this tool more powerful. Here's how black hat hacker weaponize this tool. They store payload inside innocent looking Morse code file. They transmit command through audio frequencies that security camera can't record and AI can't flag. A threat actor can sit in a coffee shop, for example, transmit a web file through a phone, a speaker, and another hacker decode it instantly. No servers, no logs, no trace. The built-in signal analyze even optimized transmission speed to avoid detection. While security team monitor for encrypted traffic and malware signature, they completely miss Morse code. Audio exfiltration, a hacker inside a secure facility can't upload files, but they can beep out data through a compromised microphone. Security hears static, but hacker inside see the truth. The hacker inside Morse tool transform 19th century technology into 21st century Ghost protocol. Whether you are a red team operator, a security researcher, or someone who want to understand how the shadow communicate, this is what power looks like when it's hidden in plain sight. Made by hacker inside, because the best security tool is the or one they never see coming. Now, before dive deep into our video practically, listen this carefully, okay?
Disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. All demonstrations were performed in lab environments or virtual devices to understand cybersecurity concepts and did not affect real devices or networks. Hacking into someone's data without permission is a cybercrime. Illegal access to someone's data is a cybercrime.
Now we are in our terminal. Now I will show you the tool detail that made by me. So first of all, let's dive deep into our desktop, because my tool was saved into desktop. Now here you can see hacker inside underscore Morse. This is the tool. I will show you graphically. First of all, here you can see this is the tool that written by me, and this is the whole package that I just show you into GUI mode. Now here you can see this is the CLI mode of this tool. I will show you everything. First of all, let me show you the readme file. Here you can see features of this tool that made this tool different from other tools. That I don't think so that this type of tool available on GitHub or not, but that made by me and very enhanced version. Here you can see encode, decode, audio playback, file operation, signal analysis, and customizable hai, and Docker support hai, and CI and CD and package that it need to run properly. OS requirement Linux, Kali, Ubuntu, whatever you are going to use. Now here is the CLI mode that return all the code in this specific file. Now I will show you something. First of all, VNV, like using this tool properly, so you need to fulfill their all the requirement of this tool. So first of all, let's make a virtual environment, and after for Python. After this, we are going to install some dependencies. Sorry, I just forgot that we need to sudo permission. Okay, now I am administrative root. Now what we can do, again running same command, python 3 -m vnv, and vnv, that means create a virtual environment. There we can install all the requirement in virtual, and opening the first of all, let's open the virtual environment source win activate. Here you can see now in front of root, here you can see vnv, that means our virtual environment was created successfully. Now we are going to let me show you something like what the requirement of this tool that you need to download, and after that you can use this tool properly. Soon I will upload this tool into my GitHub repo. Soon I will made a new account into GitHub, and I will upload this tool into my GitHub, that there you can download the tool from my GitHub account, like using a git cloning. Here you can see now you can already seen that what was the requirement of this tool. You can here you can see here you will get a requirement.txt. In the requirement.txt you will see what was the requirement. Now I will show you how you can use this tool. Now this tool was freshly made, everything was removed, unknowingly things Now I will show you Python 3 CLI.py and encode. That means encode the message -t template. And what was the message I am going to encode into Morse code? Here you can see hacker inside. This I just hit enter. Here you can see the branding of my tool, and here you can see encoded Morse. This is the Morse code that encoded by my tool. And now I can send this Morse code to anyone. If they use the same tool that made by me, they can use Python 3 CLI. That I already told you that all things was written in this CLI.py in this file, and decode and -t, same type of thing. And now we are going to copy this whole Morse code and pasting this in double quote section. Here you can see decoded text hacker inside. This is the text that written by us into our encoded message. Now this is the first basic use of this tool. Now I will show you the professionally how you can use this tool, even though this is also a professional way. Now some cool features of this tool I will show you. What we can do here, we can use convert our text file, like making a text file and convert the whole text file into a secret message. Here you can see what we can do in Python 3 CLI.py encode -t, that means template. And then we are going to use like tool made by hacker inside. This is the message that I'm going to write, and I want to save this output into a encoded format, so that I can directly share this file to anyone in the world. So what we can do, -o, that means output, and the output file name is output.morse. Okay, now what we can do, hit enter. Here you can see our output file was saved, and here is the Morse code also you can see here. Now our file was saved into output.morse. I can show you using cat command. Here you can see cat output.morse. Here you can see our written message was converted into Morse code. What we can do here, like we want to see what was written into the file, we can use Python 3. If the person using my tool, they can decode clear easily. Okay, Python 3, just a second, I just made something wrong. Python 3 CLI.py and decode -t, and then double quote, and then copy this whole message using the same method that we are used in first. Here you can see, just click hit enter, and and we can also save the output file into decode.txt, into a text file, not Morse, into a text file. Like we are going to save this Morse code, decode this and save this into a decoded.txt file in this file. Now here you can see here you can decoded text output saved to decode.txt. Here you can see, also you can see that decoded text, and it also saved into our decoded file cat decoded.txt. Hit enter. You can also see what was the written in the Morse code, like in the message Morse code we got, what was the written. It also saved in the decoded file that we are used out -o, that means output file. Now and we are going to use some other cool features of this tool, that audio section of this tool, that making a secret file, secret message into a Morse code. The Morse code, that means audio file. Here you can see Python 3 CLI.py and code -t help, and in double code section put help and -a. Here you can see it already like you can see that a beep sound that that created by this Morse code tool. And if I want to save this file, like we use this command that help was beep sound, and now I want to save this wave file and send to someone else in outside of my network, in worldwide area, from anywhere. What we can do, here you can see again, I just use the same command, and you can see like listen, beep sound. So I am going to save a like beep sound. So what we can do here, like saving a web file, we are going to use, first of all, clear the command. And now I am going to use audio section to encode my Morse code into audio format. So I can send the audio file that made by this tool. Here you can see, I will show you, there is no audio file. I will create it for you and save this. I will show you Python 3 CLI.py. Just a second. Like making a file that that carry out a secret message into a beep sound, that I already showed you. Now what we can do here, Python 3 CLI.py encode -t, hyphen t, and then in double quote section I am going to write my secret message. Here we can see, like my secret message was I am at my place, for example, place launch your attack. Like this is the my secret message that I want to send someone, that no one can catch me. So what we can do is, this is my secret message, I hyphen two hyphen web. Now that means create a web file. Okay, web. Now what we can do here, giving a random dot, like giving a name of the file random dot web. Here you can see Morse code exported to random dot web. Now I will show you, like it created a web file. Here you can see random.web. Now I will show you graphically. Here you can see random.web. Now if I double click on this, it will sound like beep 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 beep. That means our message was encoded successfully, and now I can send this file to anyone. Here you can see that output dot txt that encoded by us using this tool. I will show you. Here you can see this is the message, and previously the output Morse that was encoded this by this tool. Here that's all. This is the tool that made by me. Soon I will upload this into my GitHub account, GitHub repo, so all of you also can use this tool in your daily usage. So I hope this video will helpful for you. Even though I added a functionality in this, like decoding audio also, like encoded audio is available, but python 3 decode.py, that means that file we made encode a encoded audio file wave, that random.web. But this function right now is not working properly because it encoded our message properly, but in decoding section it's not well. So in upcoming videos I am like in some time, like giving some time of this tool to make it work properly. So this is the thing. Like here you can see home exercise, like giving the path where is the my web file exist. Here you can see random.web. If I give them it not properly decode the file. Here you can see like a written message was decoded, but it's not the actual message that we written into the audio web. So I hope this video will helpful for you, and you just learn something new. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos, and even click the bell icon to get as soon as possible the notification of this upcoming videos. So please support me, and I hope this video will good for you. Now see you in next